Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the screen color back to normal on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to change the color of the screen back to normal, just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, tap on display and text size. Now from here, scroll down and make sure you disable classic invert or smart invert if any of them is enabled. Just like that. Now from here, if this did not solve your problem, just tap on color filters and make sure that you have disabled color filters. Just like that. Now from here, if this did not fix your problem either, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just swipe down from the upper right corner on the display to open the control center. Now from here, just press and hold the brightness slider. Now from here, make sure you disable night shift. Just like that. And this is how you can change the screen color back to normal on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.